Hey, you want to start a simple side hustle that pays you 100% commissions on a daily basis every time you generate a sale, and you can do it easily. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, and stick around to the end of this video. I have a bonus that I want to share with you that's going to help you earn more 100% commissions using this simple side hustle program. So let's go ahead and jump right into it right now. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is go to the first link in the description below. Click the link in the description and get your free OLSP account. That's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using a system called the OLSP system. You're going to set up your free account. Just simply put in your email and your login details. Now, when you try to exit off of this page, that's what's going to happen. So go ahead on, put in your email and get started. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right here. I'm keeping this as simple as possible. It's nothing hard. If you can get started right now, it's going to take you to this page right here. Unlock the one link you need to rake in regular $270 paydays on total autopilot. Okay, watch this video to see how to piggyback off our 7-figure commission machine. Now, I've been with the OLSP system, for over 4 years now, and to be honest with you, I didn't do anything with it in the beginning simply because I didn't like the infrastructure. I didn't like the way they had things set up. But now that they have revamped the system and adding other things and making it much simpler for someone to come in and get started and make it easier on them, that's why I decided to go ahead on and promote this simple side hustle that you can tap into right now. So you can watch this video right here if you want to. I'm going to show you on this page some of the things you're going to get. Your only investment is going to be $7 one time. Okay, once you invest that $7 one time, that's it. You do not have to invest anything else. If you do not want to, you can still earn on all of the products and services within the system. Okay, you just won't earn as much, but you can earn, which is a plus, because there are a lot of affiliate programs out there that will not pay you affiliate commissions, okay, if you do not own that product. That's not the case with the OLSP system. You can come in here for $7, okay, and you're good to go. You can earn commissions on everything. Okay, so can you share a link? You can profit with the OLSP system. You can read this page right here, earn lifetime commissions. I'm just going to go quickly through it. Commissions made easily, over $2 million proof. You can read some testimonials here. Okay, if you come down through here, Wayne Crow is the creator of the system. Come on down. We're not going to look at that. Let's look at the major problem our system solves. Imposter syndrome holding you back. Okay, why? No tech skills, no problems. Sellophobia, fear of selling. Okay, you have to nurture your leads, warm them up, blah, blah, blah. Piggyback on our done-for-you selling machine. Okay. Problem 3, information overload. And I get overloaded with information. Been there, done that. Step 1, you're going to click the button to get instant access to your mega link. Step 2, you're going to watch the quick start video, and I'm going to show you that, and then share your mega link. That's it. This is a simple side hustle that anybody can come here and do, especially if you are a beginner and you want to get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, see what some of the other members are saying here. If we scroll on down, just check out this page. What you're going to get: your unique mega link, free quick start training, done for you selling, active community, weekly training, membership website. Bonus is organic Facebook traffic training. Bonus 2, comment dominator pro. That's where you're going to be able to earn 30 cents or 25 cents for commenting on Facebook posts. So that's what you're going to do. So you're going to click the link in the description. Okay, put in your email. It's going to take you to this page right here. I want you to click this button. Okay, click that button and get your system. Once you get your system, you're going to come into the OLSP system. You're going to be on your dashboard. Okay, your product that you own going to be the mega link, will be right here along with this free training that you can watch as well. To get your, let me show you what's in the mega link. Okay, you're going to access your product, and you're just going to go through these steps right here, following the steps in this training. This is going to be your training. You're going to, what is the OLSP system? Get your mega link, get traffic, next steps, become a mega affiliate. Okay, that's it. You're going to follow those steps right there. It's going to walk you through the entire process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Let's go back to the dashboard. Also, what you're going to get, and let me see if I can find it without Facebook 101. Okay, access that product. This is going to teach you how to get organic traffic on Facebook, especially if you know you love Facebook marketing or you want to do Facebook marketing. You can go through this training right here. Introduction to Facebook marketing, the complete guide, the basics, adding friends, profile setup, post types, warm up, warm down, setting securities, and things like that. So that's another product you get. You're also going to get Comment Dominator Pro. If we access this product, you see I've earned $7.25. This is simply from commenting on particular posts that are within the system. Like this one right here, are you ready for 100, ready for 100K day? All I got to do is view the post, then come back and submit what I actually done. And once they approve it, I'll earn 25 cents from doing that. So that's just another way that you can earn income. So let's go back to the dashboard. What you want to do, once you get inside your system, you want to come over here and you're going to copy this link right here. Okay, this link is the same link that's in my description. You're going to use this same page, going to take them through this same process. Okay, the beauty of it is once they are in the OLSP system, OLSP does the follow-up for you. Okay, they get them on the live training, they get them inside of the Facebook group, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. The only thing you have to do is worry about getting traffic, which is taught to you in the training. You can copy this link, and then I want you to go to the second link that's in the description that says instant traffic. You're going to come to this page right here. Okay, this is a page that I created with some of the traffic sources that I use. You can choose either one that you want to, but I just want to walk you through the process of getting one. So if you want to go with wholesale premium traffic, just click on the buy now. It's going to open up in a tab. You're simply going to come over here. You can cancel that right there. Wholesale premium traffic. Go to traffic packages and come down here. Don't worry about this. Just get rid of traffic packages. Okay. You want to go here, premium US only. You'll see the price is $90 for 200 clicks, $300, 135 clicks. The most popular is 500. If you can get to 500, go with the 500. If you need to start at 90, go with 90. The thing I want you to do is just get started. Now, if you can't, if you're not comfortable with getting here, you can't afford these, come down to quality tier 1. You can get 200 clicks for 68, 300 for 102, 500 for 165. There, if you feel that's still too much for you, come down. You can get 500, 200 for 58. So you're saving $10 between there, okay? And you're saving here as well. What I would do is, if I was you, I would go with USA only or quality tier 1 traffic and pick your package and go with that. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to the buy screen where you're actually going to, let me just show you that. Let's just say if we was going to buy this one here, you would click on that. Okay, you're going to put in your name, email, your first name, last name, email, card number. You can use PayPal, you can use Stripe, however you want to do. You're going to make your purchase. Once you make your purchase, you got to read this, no refunds. Okay, sales are final. You're going to click that box. Once you make your purchase, a form is going to pop up where they're going to ask you for the information for you to put in so they can get your order in. So just follow the step. Once you do that, you are good to go. The only thing you need to do is continue to send traffic to this link right here, which is going to send people here and here. Now, if you should decide you want the magic link, that's another $7 product that you can get a hold of when you get in the system. You'll get some other bonuses with that. But what I want you to do right now in order to get this system up and going is go ahead on, fill in this information, come to this page, Watch this video if you must. Click on this button right here. Okay, pick up your packet, pick it up. You're gonna put in your email. It's gonna take you through the step, what you need to do in order to make, in order to purchase it. Follow the steps. You're gonna come inside of here once you get your login info, get your mega link here, over here, copy it, come to instant traffic, wholesale. Don't do OLSP, wholesale or Jazz Deep. Here's another traffic source that you can use right here. This is a private invite. You can check that one out as well. And this is the Facebook Mega Messenger. If you want to get Messenger and you want to use Facebook, click on wholesale traffic. Come to this page here. Pick your package and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Like the video, share the video. Give me a thumbs up on this video as well. I will be doing other videos walking you through how this simple system can help you. Now for the bonus. If you pick up this $7 bonus, if you pick up this $7 product, okay, the mega link today, I'm going to add you to my traffic rotator, okay? It's going to help you generate 100% commission using this $7 side hustle, okay? So I'm willing to add you to my traffic rotator. I'm going to be putting that link in my YouTube videos, on my Facebook profile, and even emailing my list, okay, to help you generate, 100% commissions with the OLSP system. So with that being said, I want you to click that link just down in the description, link 1 and link 2, get set up, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.